This is going to be a quick tutorial to get you up and running with OBS Studio in just 2 minutes. So the first step is to download the OBS Studio and install it. You can download it from their official website. I'll share the link in the video description. Installation is super easy, it's just a click of few buttons. When you open it for the first time, it looks like this, as you can see on the screen. Now we need to add two things to start a screen recording. First thing is a display capture. So for that I'll click a plus button, and here I'll just select this display capture and I'll just click OK. So now I got a display capture and I can change it to my other screen so that you can see, and I can also set a custom crop, but I'll leave it and I'll click OK. So now I have a display capture. The second thing that I need to add is a audio input. So I'll again click plus and I will select the audio input capture, and from here I will use a existing audio, which is the mic, and I'll click OK. Alright, so now we are all set to do the recording because we have both audio as well as video, and starting a recording is as simple as just clicking this start recording button. So I'll just click this button, and as you see, the recording has already started. You can see, and I can just do some activity on the other screen and it will capture it. And once I'm done, I'll just click on stop recording, and here it will show the location where it has saved the recording. So it's in movies folder. The other way to see this recording is going in the menu and click on show recordings. And as you see, these are the all recordings which are saved. So that's it. Hope this will give you a quick start with OBS Studio. If this video was helpful, please click the like button and let me know in comments if there are any questions. Thanks for watching.